Hi, we are Compylo and this video is regarding the interview questions of Azure Analysis Services. Those who know Power BI must be aware of creating a calculated column. But how to create a calculated column in Azure Analysis Services? So to create calculated column in Azure Analysis Services, we have to open the model view and click on one of the boxes, that is cells shown on the screen. So once you click there, you will see an FX option available over top. Once this FX is available, you can start writing the DAX function the way we write in Power BI. Like as shown on the screen, test is equal to sum or something. But here you will notice that once you have written sum, it is not showing any column value or anything, right? So to fix this, we have to add a colon before our equal to sign. So once we add that, we will be able to see all the suggestions which are available for us to use in our calculations. So that is how we can create a calculated column in our Azure Analysis Services model. Thank you.